Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the appearance of cards in Solitaire. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open the Solitaire application on your mobile device. Once you are inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now, scroll down under personalization and you will be able to see the front design, back design and table design options. To change the appearance of your card, go ahead and select the front design option first and select how your card must look from the designs, and then select a card design that you'd like to change for your cards and tap on apply. Similarly, you can also choose the back design, select one of the designs you'd like to change and tap apply. Another thing you can change is to tap on table design and select your table's design and tap on apply. So now you can go back and see your table, the card's appearance changed on Solitaire. That's how easy it is in order to change your card's appearance on Solitaire. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.